So the issue I found is, first of all, the code is really impressive, and it works flawlessly on flat ground. I mean, except for the fact that you don't like keep your speed when you jump, but I can probably fix that later. It's not a priority. Anyway, um, when you the only problem is if you like line up the center of your screen. And by the way, you deploy with visible collision shapes because then it'll show you the center of the screen. So now if I line up the center of the screen with the tip of the slope, if this was perfect, I would you know, go up and never lose the orientation to that little and it'll always be centered on that little corner. So let's see what happens. It doesn't do that. It kind of like dips a little bit and then tries to come back and adjust. But sometimes it doesn't sometimes it doesn't do that. Like sometimes it'll get a little confused, like if I go. Like if I increase if I lower the friction, it becomes really noticeable on the slopes. Go like this. It like completely loses the target. And yeah, that's the issue.